You hear that? The bike them up and running, them ready. Only 2 weeks remaining, 14 days. The two of them are go. The two of them are go. Anyone I want can win them. Anyone I want can win them. If you don't want to buy, look at $5,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 on 5 how much? $10,000. It's either you win any of them items or $10,000 cash. So you must decide which one you want. Only 2 weeks remaining. December the 19th is the last day of the raffle. What are you waiting for? You get a ticket yet? I'm sure no one not get a ticket yet. Don't worry. You see the guys when they're outside of Kingston and St. Andrew, we have to come to your area. By next week, we have to make you know which day we are following. So we have to take 2 days and we have to come country. And we have to collect everybody ticket money, and everybody will get them tickets, so don't worry. All I want, I'm going to get no tickets. You get what I said? For those who are in Kingston and in Andrew, call this number 858-0616. If you should hear them, 858-0616. Call the number or text the number. From this day forward, me, I'm going to handle every call and every text that comes to that number. Alright? So if you're not serious about entering, do not call, do not text, please. Don't waste your time. How much fee actually enter? Only $1,500, which is 1,500. See that? This is not 500, but one of them here are half of it. 1,500. And it gives you a shot at winning either the 250cc 2021 Rebel T6E gearbox or this right here, which is a 2021 50cc champion. And I love the champion. Honestly, I wish we could have taken the champion myself. But year one, I want to give one and one. Honestly, I want to give away these bikes to any one of you guys. But you have to enter. Remember, time is almost up. So we have to wait for call the number. Call the number, text the number. If you don't get a response instantly, I must apologize. I do work and you never respond instantly all the time. Just give me some time and I will respond to you and to conduct the business from there. But thanks to everybody we are supposed to follow. Look, all of them, big up for yourself, one and all. You get what I say? We have to do this to own. We have to do this to own. Later on, we're going to do a lot of giveaways as well. So stay tuned to that. I want to do a lot of giveaways, helmet, gloves, riding equipment, bike equipment, all of them stuff. Okay, so just stay tuned. Thank you guys so much for the support once more. Remember, December the 19th is the last day. Last day. So just contact the number, text it, WhatsApp it, or call it, and let the person know, let me know, because remember, me have to handle everything. Alright? So, do the thing, guys. See that? Right in my room. Motherfucking